G'day, I'm Gary Mays. Imagine a kitchen where food waste is a thing of the past. No more rotting food scraps or unpleasant odors. Welcome to the hidden kitchen revolution, where efficiency meets environmental sustainability and cleanliness. Traditional food waste disposal methods are outdated and messy. Discover the secret to a cleaner, more environmental, sustainable, and efficient kitchen with innovative solutions that transform how we handle food waste. The InSinkErator grinds food waste effortlessly, turning scraps into fine particles. This hygienic process eliminates odors and pests, integrating seamlessly with your existing kitchen plumbing setup. Behind its eco-friendly design lies advanced technology. The InSinkErator connects to your plumbing, ensuring food waste is flushed directly into the sewerage system, reducing rotting organic waste in your wheelie bin and landfill rubbish dumps. Say goodbye to rotting food and pests. The InSinkErator boosts kitchen hygiene, keeping your space cleaner and bacteria-free while reducing the need for constant wheelie bin cleaning. By diverting rotting food waste from landfills, you're actively reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Experience the ease of installation and maintenance, making an InSinkErator food waste disposer a sustainable choice for any kitchen. Cleaner, faster, and more sustainable kitchen solutions are within reach. The InSinkErator offers a revolutionary approach to food waste management, transforming your kitchen experience. Take action today. Consider installing an InSinkErator and embrace a future of efficient, sustainable, and responsible kitchen food waste management. Join the revolution with InSinkErator and Y-Weight Plumbing and make a positive environmental impact.